Hey there folks, here with another video for you. This one is about how to properly mix floor tile mortar, and here are the tools you're going to need. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to take our mortar powder and we're going to pour it into our bucket. Next, we're going to start adding water while slowly stirring with our drill bit. And then we're going to let our mixture sit for about 10 minutes. Alright folks, so it's been 10 minutes. We're just going to give this another stir and then we're good to spread it. And if you look at the bucket while I'm mixing it, this is the consistency it needs to be. So now we take our trowel and we're just going to spread it over here. We're going to pretend that this surface is our floor. And you know you've made a good mortar if, when you spread it, these ridges right here stay in place. If the ridges fall, then it's too thin and you need to add more powder. If you pull back like this and it doesn't stick to the floor, then you need to add more water. Alright, that's how you mix mortar properly, and hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe.